Are you looking to take out a background of an image? Maybe you're trying to make a thumbnail and you want a cool Call of Duty gun. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to do that. This is quick tips with Rhino. So, you're a YouTuber, you want to learn how to take off the background to this image. Fairly easy, but there's a little bit to this. There's a few ways you can do this. One is really fast, and it's probably going to be your favorite. But the first one we can do is we can press E for eraser tool, and we can erase around it. Probably want a hard brush, and we can erase around it, and then get all the other stuff later. Or another way is press P for the pen tool, and you can kind of go out of your way and use the pen tool to get really big sections of this and just delete them. That's also a way, nothing wrong with that. I used to do that all the time. Photoshop CC introduced something new. If you press W for your quick select tool, which is up here, fourth one down, and if you press select and mask, it's gonna bring up this pink, what is this? So you don't have to really worry about what the pink is. All you have to do is come back up to the top, press select subject, and you'll see now that we have all the gun. The only thing I did there is I held Alt and pressed down on this so it deselect the area around it, press OK. And what did you know? We got ourselves a little cool thumbnail. Let's add a little bit something here. And then before you know it, you have a final product and you're ready to go for your first ever thumbnail for your Warzone video. Just like that. Easy.